What's up guys, this is Mehran from Dynamic Tech and I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to do unboxing of the most stylish HW28 smartwatch. So this is the box of the HW28 smartwatch. Some key features are mentioned over the box. It has LE support, 1.3 inch of AMOLED screen with 420 by 420 pixels. We will talk about that later on. Wireless charger, location services and voice assistance, and this is powered by Wear Fit Pro. So that's it for the box. Now let's open it up and see what we have got inside. Okay, so here you can see this beautiful logo with gold shining, and okay, so this is our new HW28 smartwatch with circular luxury shape, which looks very attractive. We will come back to it. This is the wireless charger and the silicone strip with again a very premium quality, just like the HW37 Plus. Here comes the user manual which nobody reads. This is our new HW28 smartwatch which comes with circular design that looks stylish and very affordable. And the best thing is that it fits for both gender, I mean men and women both can wear this. There are two physical buttons on the right side of the case. It is responsible for the functions of turning on and running back. The back side of this device received a typical configuration. There are magnetic contacts for charging and heart rate sensor. Regarding the display screen, the HW28 smartwatch has 1.3 inch AMOLED touchscreen with 2.5 curved glass and created with a resolution of 420 by 420 pixels. Now this is something very interesting because the highest settings for the smartwatches are 466 by 466, but this watch is nearly close to that. So in this range you won't get this type of high quality screen in a smartwatches. So because of that high pixels, you can see its animations are very smooth and the display quality is just outstanding. In this price range you are getting an AMOLED screen with the highest resolution, so I will recommend this to everyone because it's very affordable. HW28 watch is available in many different colors, so you can order of your own choices. About the face watches, you will get over 200 plus watch faces with its application which is called Wear Fit Pro, and this watch is compatible with iOS and Android as well. HW28 is also waterproof because it has IP67 waterproof resistance, which means you can wear it while washing your hands or even on rainy days. This smartwatch is equipped with a speaker and microphone that allows you to make calls directly with a smartwatch. Additional features are NFC access control, blood oxygen and blood pressure monitor, 15 different type of sport modes. You can make offline payments with your watch with the help of NFC, find phone support and much more. So I think this is a complete package with the highest resolution and better display in this price range. If we talk about the battery backup, so this smartwatch has a 250 mAh battery capacity with 7 days of normal usage and 15 days of standby mode. So on the standby mode, the battery capacity is slightly low compared to other smartwatches. So this watch will also consume a bit more of its battery because of that high quality display. Okay, so overall I will give 10 points out of 10 to this watch because of its AMOLED screen and premium quality, and I don't want my viewers to waste money on other smartwatches. So if your budget is low and you are looking for the best and smooth display, then I think you should go for the HW28. So this is recommended to everyone because it's value for money and you won't regret after purchasing. If you want to order this smartwatch, I am leaving the link in the description of a very trusted and authentic seller. Just order it now and get your new HW28 smartwatch at your doorstep. Now that's all for today. If you guys have got any question regarding this smartwatch, let me know in the comment section right below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.